Hi, my name is Julie.
Michael,
Steven,
Seth,
Joy,
Brian,
Austin,
Cody,
Kate,
Jesse,
Lucy,
David,
Rochelle,
Chantel.
Brevin,
Lois,
Kenneth,
Dylan,
Zach,
Timothy, Mike,
Matthew, and I'm a student teacher.
Hebrew professor.
I'm a student at Sattler College, and
And
we
we
want
wanna
to meet you.
Are you looking for a training ground you can trust? Come to Boston to engage with our students, faculty, and staff. Visit our campus and get your questions answered. Register now and reserve your spot at our open house. We hope to see you there.
All right, we're starting to record from the beginning. I'll make sure that you.
That is in the bloopers, please.
I can't do this. I can't do this.